Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E14 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let me find it. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to take a look at this option tab at the top, and on the second position from the left we've got the timer option, so this crossed out icon. All we have to do is to tap on it to set the first timer, so the 3 seconds delay. After tapping on it we can set 10 seconds delay, and after tapping on it again we can turn it off completely. So as you can see, we've got 3 different options. Let me set 10 seconds delay, and all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. So this is how it works. Of course you can turn it off completely, and I've just shown you how to do it. Simply tap on this icon until you will find this one, so the crossed out timer icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.